everyone, welcome to this very short vlog of me going to Newmarket. So first up, transportation. If you don't know already, I love taking public transport no matter what country I am in. The bus fare was just 10 rupees and it dropped me right in front of Newmarket entrance. This is the iconic Newmarket street that passes by Armenia and Nizam that was established back in 1932, pre-independence. Crazy. So usually whenever I go to Newmarket, I walk down this road straight inside Hog Market. You keep walking straight, crossing all these confectionery and other kind of shops, straight to Naom's Bakery. Now, I don't even know why Naom's is so popular. If I'm completely honest, I think their baked goods taste a bit mid. And at this point, it's purely nostalgia. I got a bunch of stuff from there and then carried on walking to this roundabout place where I would always get fruity from, but unfortunately, it was closed. In Newmarket, you get all sorts of things: shoes, bangles, street food, jewelry, etc. I mainly went there to get some accessories for an upcoming wedding event. I liked these bedazzled hairband and these butterfly earrings, so got them. Shopped some more but didn't really record much because I was scared of my phone getting stolen. যদি আপনাকে ভিডিওটা ভালো লাগছে তো প্লিজ লাইক বাটনটা ঠকিয়ে দিন. Stop by to get some cold lassi. Unfortunately, I saw the guy take ice from this filthy box. But it is what it is, you know, it's part of the experience, and gut health was a pretty good lassi for 40 rupees. The last thing I wanted to buy was a kneadable eraser for my current hobby of sketching. Found the shop just 7 minutes away from the main road that sold art supplies. How cool. I got my eraser from there. I am exhausted, but it was a good shopping trip. The weather was pretty good, so walked a bit more before taking a bus back home. The bus back home was a bit more crowded than while going to Newmarket. Hello. I am finally back home. I did a lot of shopping, but then I kept it in my bag. What an absolute sweat fest. I feel so overstimulated. But yeah, it was a good trip. I'm gonna go unpack and see how much I spent. It's so easy to spend like 150, 200, 500. I just like keep phone paying in cash. But yeah, I think overall it was a good trip. I am never going back for a long time. I was so overstimulated that I just like didn't even eat anything. I drank one just lassi, cold lassi, and that was it. I'm starving, but I was so like, you know, can you even hear what I'm saying? Because of the azan, I don't know. But yeah, okay, bye. I don't even know if I'm gonna post this. So let me show you what all I bought. Haul time. Got these earrings for 150 rupees. These 2 pairs of shoes, 200 rupees each. Kneadable eraser for 50 rupees and pencil eraser for 120 rupees. 2 pairs of cycling shorts and gunji. Total came to 500 rupees. These 2 100% cotton nighties for 350 rupees total. These hair accessories total 125 rupees. And obviously smoked cheese, my favorite kinds of cheese in this world. That's all. It was a very short trip. Enjoy this mini rant before I end the video. What was really annoying is that, I don't know, this one shopkeeper, there were 2 shopkeepers, okay? I really liked this black and white kurta, and to one guy I asked, he was like 875, and then the other shopkeeper came because I was looking at something else, and the same kurta he's like 1150, and then I look at him and he's like, what, I didn't tell you the price of this? And I'm like, but the other guy told 875. And they both were just like looking at each other, arguing about how it's 875 and 1150, and I just looked at them in disgust and then walked away. And yeah, another time, this one earrings guy shop, he was like, अच्छा ये लेना है, आपको लेना है? बोले हाँ, और किसको लेना है? So he's like 250, but everyone in that street, all the earrings are either 101 or 150, and this guy is like 250, and I'm like, ये पूरे स्ट्रीट में कोई भी 250 का नहीं बेच रहा है, तो आप कैसे? He's like, look, price लिखा हुआ है. And then again I just like looked at him. The earrings were not that beautiful even.
I just wanted to know how much the price was. And he's like, देखिए 250 लिखा हुआ है, as if like whatever's written they can simply write whatever, right? But yeah, exhausting.
And that is that for this video. Let me know if you've ever been to Newmarket. Okay, bye. If you're still here and want to watch another video of mine, maybe watch this Kerala vlog, or YouTube thinks you would like this video, so watch that. Up to you. And also please like and subscribe. Thank you.